Have you ever wondered how our daily actions contribute to global warming? It's a question that's been on the minds of scientists and citizens alike. Global warming, simply put, is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system, and it's primarily a result of human activities. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes are releasing large amounts of greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth's average temperature to rise, a phenomenon we know as global warming. This warming has a cascade of impacts, from melting ice caps and rising sea levels to more frequent and severe weather events. It's changing ecosystems, affecting wildlife, and posing significant risks to human health and livelihoods. Human actions have accelerated the pace of global warming, but it's these very actions that hold the key to addressing this crisis. Understanding the causes is the first step toward mitigating the impacts of global warming. Now that we understand the problem, it's time to explore the solutions. Climate change is a complex issue, but that doesn't mean there aren't practical solutions at our disposal. For starters, we can tap into renewable energy sources. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric power offer cleaner and more sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. By choosing to power our homes, businesses, and cities with these resources, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Another solution lies in the conservation of wildlife. Forests act as natural carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 emissions and producing the oxygen we breathe. By protecting these ecosystems and the creatures that inhabit them, we can maintain this natural balance and mitigate the effects of global warming. But these efforts alone aren't enough. It's crucial that we adhere to climate regulations. Governments around the world need to enforce stringent policies to control emissions and promote sustainable practices. These laws are our best defense against the escalating climate crisis. Lastly, we must address pollution in industrial sectors. Advancements in technology and innovation can help us develop cleaner manufacturing processes, reducing harmful emissions and waste. By embracing these changes, industries can play a significant role in combating global warming. But let's not forget, the fight against global warming is not just for governments or industries, it's for each one of us. Every small action adds up. Whether it's recycling, composting, or simply turning off lights when not in use, we all have a part to play in protecting our planet. So let's make a conscious effort to incorporate these solutions into our daily lives. Let's encourage our friends, families, and communities to do the same. Together, we can make a real, lasting impact. Remember, every small action counts when it comes to protecting our planet. You might be wondering, can we really make a difference? The answer is a resounding yes. When we unite our efforts, we can drive meaningful change. Let's consider some examples. In the heart of Denmark, the island of Samsø has become a beacon of sustainable living. By harnessing wind power and promoting energy efficiency, this community has achieved carbon neutrality in less than 10 years. Across the globe, Costa Rica has set an ambitious goal to become a carbon-neutral country by 2025. Through extensive reforestation and renewable energy initiatives, they're turning this vision into reality. These are just a few examples of the power of collective actions. When we act together, we can create an impact that echoes across generations. Remember, every choice we make, every action we take, contributes to the future of our planet. Together, we can indeed make a significant impact. So, where do we go from here, you might ask? We've journeyed together through the depths of the global warming crisis, explored practical solutions, and recognized the power of our collective actions. We've seen how the use of natural energy sources like solar, water, and wind can make a significant difference. We've delved into the importance of wildlife conservation and the role of stringent climate regulations. We've also touched upon the need for technological innovation in industrial sectors to reduce pollution. But the journey doesn't end here. It's time for action. It's time to implement these solutions in our daily lives. Whether it's choosing renewable energy or supporting wildlife conservation efforts, every little step counts. The power to combat global warming lies in our hands. Thank you for joining us today. If you have questions or need more information, please let us know in the comments. Stay safe, and remember, the future of our planet is in our hands.